singa kati Spice Dana ne kuluye eri mukomera ngokunoonyereza we kugenda maaso. But the boy's dad said that up to now manager wa Spice Dana tanamulabako. Why do you beat up people? Many there is what we were celebrity chizibu chemuyina. You think you are more special than Ugandans. You are still very lucky. Watu kalamaji we yafamu biye kisiru. You think those people don't have families? Katwaliwo musiru munamawulire hakede kumacha kunkubira simu. Juni yaja angu tukuchazo o defending Spice Dana. Nga Spice Dana mo defending akochi. Mbunati mbu omu defending nze defending omuntu ali mu mada. Yagala kundetera bisirani. I want to know what was the cause of the beating of that young innocent man. Umanyi ono mu Uganda omuntu atandika mangu nga toli mubbi ne baleka nanti oli mubbi. The boy's dad is saying it's not the first time ngoyo mwana agende wa Spice Diana. Kakati kuluno lwaki bamukubye ne bamutta. They want police to answer that. We haven't seen Spice Dana's crew arrested. Spice Dana is okwate yaliwe waka. Okay, Spice Dana is okwate yaliwo. Manager we Roger is okwate yaliwo. We want to see those people who are at home arrested. Is that hard? Ira mulinda state house bawe order. Manye police enaku zino there is a problem they have. They are waiting for their superiors okubawa order bakole ekintu. Like umana ba mutiddechi. Okay, for starters. Kakati oli munamawulire yakoze story eyo. Omu kubo akedde kunkubira mbwera mbu waliwo omu oba bali ku Korea Spice Dana yamukubidde essimu mbu namugamba mbu eyo video gijjeeyo mikwane yange tevaayo. Nze tamale bwe nkola video yange tejja kuvaayo. Okay, njagala nkubira essimu ngambe nti Junior sibyogerako. We start from there and say kumanyira. That is injustice. Kalamaji bwato bwe yafa. Segera mu bintu ebyo ebyekisirusiru. Kwanga bayimbi balooza mbu ba kitalo. Omuntu abayingidde ewuwo naffe waffe abantu bayingire waffe. Okay nga babuze. Okay abantu bayingira maka g'abantu for some reasons. Omuntu ayinza n'okuba bambinga mulalu. It doesn't mean that into omukubo omutti. Omwana Eyafiiride police sinalaba ko statement. Like police tenavayo kwogera. Who exactly nebwebanga mobo ye yamuse. We want to see those people obaba ku kyalo abasomano oyo under arrest. Nga bali mukomera. No, we are not going to send nti kubanga mbu abamanyi mbu fins mbu family yo mwana njavu. Otegera, I saw them. Nete kigenda kubeera nti tebajja funa bwenkanya because fenna twetuddeko. There is certain journalist yankedde kumukubira. Mumanyise bwangambye Junior jangu tukukyaze mbo defending Spice Dana oyagala kumanyira namawulire kwe. Mugambi olinga amatako nawe. Fana ene kusimu yange nze byo babingamba. Spice Dana should come out nekuruye osiwe kitundu because now nza sina gamba ko mbu Spice Dana but according to tata wo mugenzi gendo dio la betata byayogedde yagaye nti omwana wange buli jagendo wa Spice Dana but this time yasanga bamukubye because enkuba je bamukubye bamuyira amafuta matu okubu Nedda. Something should be done. We want to know the facts. Mubwe simbu no bwe kitalo. No stone will be unturned. This time, people are being murdered. Era osero yagala tubale kugoba. Osiweche kitundu. You want us to first chase you kati otandiko gamambu before you carry out investigations. As Ugandans, we deserve a right to know how did that innocent boy was killed. You didn't give him a chance to explain. Okay, kale tukitwala nti yabadde mobbi. Omutwala ku police. But this is a trend where people lose their lives and people use that space into kwanga families zaabwe enjavu to get away with it. Abayimbi batambula ne bakanyama. Naliko mu baale erimu nga waliwo omuyimbi azze n'abasirikale simanya yakuumibwa. Okitegeera yali azze ne bodyguard mu baala nayita manager w'ebbaala ne muga asagala kulaba mundu wano. Buli ayine mundu agifulumya amabaala tegabaamu mundu. Mutambula ne bakanyama. You have a right bakanyama bamubakuuma. But osanza abantu mu baala batudde, you want to bring commotion ne bakanyama bo. If you think you are too special, mboyina bakanyama bakuume, start your home. Lwaki oba oyingira amabaala ne mukozinga unnecessary commotion in mabaala. Ekintu ekyo kati kyagenda kikendeera. Batidde osanga nga abayimbi atambula n'abantu 12 mbu bakanyama. Osanza abantu batudde ban'omwenge gwabwe nga bakanyama bo batandika okumalako abantu. Nze nennyingira ebbaala ku ttebo kwetudde n'ojja n'ebyo ebyekisiru byo nti bakanyama. I call in my security. Nemaka sagala kulaba mundu wano. Buli ayine mundu agifulumya. Manyi there is a work abantu bayisa abannayuganda balala nga second class citizens. Wano buli munnayuganda twenkanankana constitution kyetugamba. Apart from those who have offices in government that are designated by the constitution. Neka kati osanza abantu ban'omwenge gwabwe. You want to act that you are so special. Era simanyi okuumibwa bakanyama. Gwe kuumibwa bakanyama. Don't disorganize the bar. If you think you have a monopoly over violence, we shall show you that actually we can do it in the best way possible. Nange tamane sobola okera kubacha nenfuna bakanyama. But for what? Ekisinga n'abantu bemusanga mu mabaala ago, they are more richer than you, some of you. Mbu bakanyama simanya basazeeko. Mbu omuyimbi ttebo gy'aba atuddeko, mbu bakanyama basalako. Mukwano. Akakamanyiro kamwe n'akajanja kamwe. Nzoyinza okusaga mu bbaala nonyumiza bakanyama bondya. Era nkubirirawo osi. Nemuga come and let the pass. Can that idiot take his rumpens out? Or we go to the next step? Bakubulire nga Junior ndi mu bbaala genda obuuza Eddie Mezaya. Eddie Mezaya yabaga ati Junior am highly protected. Nze saagala bintu bya kisirusiru. So we deserve a right to know who killed that young man. Spice Dana should come out and explain. Bwe babanga abantu be bakuba omwana ne bamuta, they should be arrested. Bwe babanga baali bakyalo mob justice, they should to be arrested. And mutulage evidence oba yali mobbi oba teyali. Okay, yali mobbi lwaki temwamutwala mukomera? That boy's family deserves justice, by the way. Omwana waabwe tasobola kufa bw'ato mu bintu eby'ekisiru nga family ya Karamagi bwe yasirika. Nze banne tamale ne mala nfira mu ebyo eby'ekisirusiru ebyo. Olaba luli bannomba ne banzita, those cowards. Can they repeat it once again? Bintu eby'ekisirusiru whereby people batwalira amateeka mu ngalo. Mbumbu kati mbu sitole mbu bwebeera mu Spice Dana mbungolonga tutya. Mbu kati mbu we fear. Ira tujja byogerako. We need to know what transpired exactly. Because according to the boy's dad, yagamba omwana we yagenda nga wa Spice Dana sibayanga amusaba collab. Nagamba omwana we teyali mobbi. Kati abakuba omwana oyo betwagala bokka. Osi tuyambe ne RPC simanya DPC, whatever you call yourselves. We want to know from the police how that young man died, as simple as that. Then ebirala tutandikira. N'omuntu tayinza kuziika mwana we naawe munzita bweto. Mwene muto omwana w'omuntu ne mumumenya n'amagulu ne mumuyiwa parafini matu ne mumukuba ekiso mu mutwe. Which are you job? Which type of anger is this? Spicy Diana should be arrested. Her crew should be in prison until when they find out that actually they are innocent. Because according to the boys' daddy agamba ti omwana we bamutira wa Spicy Diana. That's what the boys' daddy we know. See gambo byange. Videos have been circulating. So as a public we need to know. Nobody is supreme than the laws. Teri asinga mateeka. Ne kanyamunyu nga muzukulu wa Besigye. Kanyamunyu nga mukazi we taata we minister Burundi yagenda mukomera. So temutubulira bulire bibya kisero byamu. I felt so touched. When you lose story, you feel so. I felt so touched. The family is poor. The boy was buried. Up to now, the police is not doing something. We need a statement. Who killed the boy? What up to now, abantu tebamanyi what really transpired? For how long? Mpaka di. People calling themselves powerful. Simanya ba amani. Wano jeno mozi yakata bameka. If it is about power. Singapore aita kuchikomenda te jeno mozi tebamukuba amasasi. Si papa wasula oba jeno bana. Enebo what? Nga we move the freely. Nze nali mve wa papa recently. Because papa wasula waliwo ba jeno bana. I moved the freely. I found the security officers that who are you? Nebambuza, who are you? I'm Tamlu Junior. They welcomed me. Sirikala abakuma bajena ba neighbor basi papa. Nga they did kill me. So bintu ebyo Bwino we need transparency into this matter. Abakume wa Spicy Diana we baba be bato omwana oyo bayino kwatibwa. No stone should be left unturned. Because now it will be a sequence. Nga abantu bafirewa abayimbi. Kalamaji kati tuzze kuono oludako nange Junior nyizo okufirewa omuyimbi. So we should know if there are stones that are left unturned, we shall arrest you in the next government. Let the family of that boy document everything. There is a time for paying. Maikati abayimbi mbamanyi kasita mwagenda ke wajje no sale. Abamu ne mwefuula kati ab'ekitalo. Just because mwagenda ke wajje no sale, so you want to act like you are Salesi children. But that will not work. So as a serious citizen, never government that boy is a thief. He didn't deserve to die. It is only courts of law. There are some cases, by the way, where there is evidence. Omuntu byemugamba sibituufu. Munne waliwo abantu nga bali mentally sick. Just nami yandalinga mu nyumba yo ninge just mulwadde wa bwongo. No Ugandan has power to kill anybody. N'abatte mu gye bali eruzira. So kakati gojja wo amaanya agatta omwana w'omuntu. Kubanga kakati gwe buli woga nti is a thief, just it's one-sided story. But the dad is saying tata woyo omwana agamba nti omwana we tabbangako. Njabagayi newe mugenda ku police z'oku kyalo. That boy has never been got, that is a thief. But there is something wrong in that story. Waliwo abaagala okuzibirikiriza amazima. Mutambula n'ebivubu abayimbi abamu mutambula n'ebivubuka ebinwa enjaga. Bimala okunwa enjaga yaabwe ne bigwira ku baana b'abantu ne bibanwerako enjaga. So today, but Spicy Diana has cameras. Yes, let us see what happened. Kalamaji we Eyafiiride tewaliwo cameras. Nga we have never saw anything. If Spicy Diana has cameras, we want to know what what happened exactly? Tuve wa mamu byaluma mongering. How was that boy killed? Kati nyumba ya Pastor Dan in a CCTV camera. Let us see. You will find that actually the criminals are being hidden. You will find that there is a conspiracy thing going on. If there are cameras, what is the footage? But because the family is poor, people take advantage of that, because their families cannot get justice, and things go like that. And me, Tamara, I stand on truth. I'm not saying that Spicer Diana killed the boy. I'm just saying that a committee of investigation should be put in place. The boy was buried. There is nothing from the police. The boy's dad is looking for answers. Mu Uganda muno kimanyi nti abantu bakolera ddala effujjo ku bantu. Nze I Kamakogera, I was attacked by 3 people holding guns. They wanted to kill me. Tamara, I know it. In this country, anything is possible. Uganda, you wake up ng'oli mulamu ku musanvu ng'ofudde mysteriously. Golaba General Kechi yafa koroti. General Kechi died of a koroti. Anything can happen. Gendo buze General Katumba Wamala. Ingeri gye yakaabamu. If you said General crying, bloody daylight. So we want to know what happened. That boy deserves justice. Oba mobi, oba mofere, nobody has powers to kill anybody. It's courts of law. Anyaba wa manyago, oba mob justice mubanoni. Buli yakuba ku mwana oyo akwatibwe. It is just easy. We have informant. Where is Iso? Iso, you have informant. Government ene inaba piso, inaba diso. But inaba kuba omwana oyo. Arrest the disos. Abali kweche kitundu. Where are the pisos? Nga musobola okulaba Bobi Wine mbwe ali mu afulumye magere. What about this murder that happened broad daylight? So I've already sent a WhatsApp message to my friends, my fathers who are seated in Naguru, senior police officers. I've sent the video of the dad to a certain serious, high powerful police officer in Naguru. Osanga something will be done about that case. You wait. I have tagged him. Manika tebintu byakuba tagging aba police. Nemukola. If you don't tag them on Twitter, tibabiraba. Kogera nungana Junior, I haven't seen that story. I'll call you in a meeting in Naguru. There is a staff meeting of police. Kati tuba taggingira ku Twitter. Kati ero nimbe mbute wabirabi. Sibanya lwaki jajja teyabulwa. Tabawamba abo nabo ne bavaawo. Wabo sirikale ba police abetaaga okuwamba. Just jajja teyabulwa to make an operation. Nabawamba. Police yetaaga kuwamba. Kuli bintu bikuli bintu binugadi binugibali. A murder that has happened up to now, a social media. No, something should be done for humanity's sake. So, musicians, mwewala okutambula n'abavubuka abayaka. Mbwokuumibwa. If you want security, go to government. Eske mbuga ina. Si papa yabazayo recently. Ejeri kuma president lya mukumana. So instead of working with criminals, go to government. Bagamba I'm in danger. By the way, wogenda mu government ne wobanga oli musobozi. They give you security. Naye mweddeko. Ebyo bye musanga abantu mabaala. Obasanza abantu batudde banwa mwenge gwabwe. Mbujja ne bakanyama. Don't cause chaos where I am. I will teach you discipline Okay, njagala nnyo omuyimbi ajja akole effujjo wendi. You will see that we also have the power, but we don't show people that we are highly connected. Kati nze Technocrat Junior oyinza okuzanyira wendi. Me Junior nti ndi mu bbaala, you want to make commotion. Mboze ne bakanyama bana. I can put you out of the bar with your akanyamas, and you also wonder where I get the courage from. So let us not run this country like that. Dozera munda I'm in my free time. Nabagamba I don't work a lot. My boss is outside the country. Mukama wange ali bweru wa ggwanga. We are supposed to go together. But because there is a lot of work, so betwawa appointment okulaba the right honorable minister mulindemu is on international duties. Munkubidde amasimu n'omutwe gunnuma. Junior appointment yange. This week, maybe it will be Thursday or Friday. But abamataka benawa appointment timugenda kulaba omukulu amulindemu. Manya abamumunda bawano bane munkubidde amasimu amulindemu, cool down. Waliwo n'omwami eyankubidde batemye kalitunsi we ne batema ebitooke ebye ne mugamba soka agende wa RDC. Era bwe njogedde ne RDC mama we wakiso ajja muyamba mutukubira nya first go the RDC kwa mama we wakiso RDC ngai no Junior I am already in touch n'abatemye kalitunsi we mubatemye ebitooke ebyo kwa munamaliro wabo kedde yampadde enamba. So first go to the RDC. After you come, nabaga mugende wa RDC babayambi. Teri kugoba wakibanja kutaka sabi bagamba. Byonna bina mbikubye mawulire. Bise tubadde on stories of wikibanja tagobwa. Landlord ayonone nemiro yo he will pay. Nemunkubira amasimu. I mean gundi. So Kasuku mbadde nino okuba naawe anko Kasuku. Omanyi buli wakusatu nabasazeewo okubaleeterayo kasho nze ne taata wange tujja beerangako ku page yange buli lwakusatu nga twogerayogera ku bintu mwami Mirundi senior nange wizi Kasuku. Buli lwakusatu tubeera nabo anko Sendi naye leero sisobodde kubeera nammwe. Never Junior, you slept or you were watching Blue movie gwenja kukwatira bwerere. Nana abantu mutekawo bu comment bwammwe. Mbu Junior, your eyes are red. You slept late while watching Blue movies. Gwa will arrest you. Saba na Uganda kutandika bi comment byammwe bya kisiru. If you see pornography, it doesn't mean we also watch it. Much as naffe tugendayo katonotono to just see the latest. But all in all, we shall be in touch with that story. Junior story chendala eriyo. Singa babadde Shiba, you would have supported ya. Singa babadde Shiba, please. Tuli mu mada. Toleta bya Shiba na Spice Diana wano. Somebody's kid was murdered in cold blood. So tutandika bintu byo bya Shiba na Spice Diana. We just want justice and transparency in that case. Is that what to understand? Oba luzungu lwenkozesa bafani ba Spice Diana. I haven't said that that boy was killed by anybody. We want transparency and justice. That's it. So tutandika bintu byebyo byammwe bya competition byammwe busiba Spice Diana bitujje mu bambi. We are talking about a case where a boy was murdered innocently by a mob. So we want the police to arrest those abatwalidde amateeka mu ngalo. Whether it is a crew of Shiba, of Spice, or a crew of the village. It doesn't matter. Is that hard? Bano luzungu lwenkozesa luzibu. Don't misquote me. I have said nti bwato ne kalamajje bwe yafa. Era mwali wanga Kalamagye afa recently. Nothing was done. No report, no post-mortem, nobody was arrested. So you think Kalamagye teyalina bazadde be? You think they didn't have families? But Junior, you never got justice, yet you were beaten. Gundi, Freddy Logic. My incident was different. Okay, my incident was different. Okay, if you want to know that my incident in the Webankuba, my incident was different. It had the big power politics. It had the big power politics. But right now, the so-called general who was behind, God don't know where he is. Much as Yavayone Yewakana. Okay, me, the general who was Gwebali was anti Yasendika Abankuba, Yewakana. Said he doesn't know about it. And in the, remember, hospital, Jenasramu Yakomibwa military police. So, General Mose gave me money. Abanopu mapo bukadde 10 mu abanopu. That's why abanopu, you are my friends. Okay. You gave me 10 million Nopu supporters when I was sick. Now when I passed the President Museveni gave me money. Mama Kadaga gave me money. The head of Gundi. The generals gave me money, by the way, I got some good money in my incident. Ham gave me money. Anya we ambassador Doni Nasa gave me money. Papa gave me money. So my incident was different. Annie, who gave me money? Who gave me money again? Gwenzi joke it out. Bob Wine gave me money. No piampo bukadde 10. Mama Kadaga yampo bukadde 10. Anya we yampa sente mulala ngane mulwadde. And so many people, by the way, across the world. Senator mu America yankubira. So I also gave you to him. A cent you want to list bamanya abampa. There's so many people gave me money. I got my incident was different. After that time, I got to know that by the one powerful. I used to live my life recklessly. But after that incident, I got to know that I'm powerful. Isinga nafa. Government ochmanyi yali of vako. If I had died in that incident, government yandivudde so. So we are talking about justice, not money. Kati gwali agala nfune justice. So me, those who came to attack me, of course they can't do it again. I strongly doubt they can't come back again. They thought that I'm weak. If General didn't tell my father to cool down, you would have seen that government yali egenda vaako. That was the downfall of President Museveni. The death of Junior. Era mwande tusomyeko mu history. What led to the collapse of Museveni's government? The abrupt death of Technocrat Junior. Don't joke with me. Do you know that Americans entered in my crime? So, my things are different. If I would die, America bandi mujeko President Museveni. He was very annoyed. Because President Museveni asked all security agents that who has attacked my grandson? Who? So they all said they don't know, that they are not involved. So until when General entered into negotiations, that's how I managed to get justice. So the justice and I through negotiations. I got some money. Of course, I ate the money. So I want to thank General Mozi, Judge Tehabulwa, bali bagana kumpa security. But I should move with soldiers. Tamari Evambera Maroji. Kati, how will they guard me when I'm in sex? So I said I don't need soldiers. So that's why I'm not protected. But you know my dad is highly protected by special force, military police and police. Tatange bamukumanyo is highly protected by military police. Mumulaba oluusi abaana ba military, oluusi abeera ne police, oluusi special force. Kale emirimu gyaliko gya president is fighting Museveni's family. So you don't know. You don't know that my dad is fighting the president's family, but those are his assignments. So that's why we are not easy to antagonize. You can't fight the Mirundis and you win. It is not easy. Abanopu Mwana sadda batira mchabalemeddewo. You've said the following yange jagenda. Me. So that's it. So now I got justice. Kati namwe mwerwanirire mufune justice. Ngaba ne perfume yange negenda kugwamu. Bajinzigira mu America. Yino bana bajinzigira mu America my perfume. Ya dolo mutwalo gumu. Anti rich wabeera. Mumpsindikire endala. So that's it, bana njogere ku story kye yewedde. But teachers bazeeyo okusomesa. Teachers, thank you for going back and teach. Abasomesa mazeeyo okusomesa, which is okay. Bambi muddemu musomesa abaana. Mwabadde mwekalakasa mbu temujja kuddayo. Jajja teyabulwa bamwekalakasizaako. Mwazeeyo era ne musomesa gan teach. Tadde tugenda kuleeta ba Cuban teachers n'Afghanistan mixed with soldiers basomese. But baticha bange mbatumirako nnyo abansomesa Napoleon. Hi. Continue. So byebyo. Ibanaki. Somulowooza sibabuuzizzaako. Tusisinkane olwo. I never saw a guy who is 24 plus ngali ku merenga. Ngali mukola ki? What is your say about Mr. Henry? Henry ki? Mr. Henry ki? Mr. Henry ki gombuuza? Gwe kanku blocking Ken ogendeko ewa nnyoko. Nnyoko yakwenda kukojjaawo oli wano nfuukidde ekizibu. Gwe Ken nnyoko yakwenda kukojjaawo. Bali bavuma junior wano ku page oli buli avuma junior. Mubaleke munnange bali bubi. Abajja wano ku page yange ne banvuma bali bubi, mubaleke bambi temubanyiigira. It's not their fault. Si musango gwabwe. Abajja wano ku page yange ne banvuma bambi temubavuma. It's not their fault. Si musango gwabwe. Bali bubi, they are poor. They are desperate in life. Banoonya we beekwata. So don't abuse them. Henry owa pim. Please. Mbu Henry owa Prima. Prima Kadash. They are all fake. Please, banange. People. Todanga ku page yange kutandika kumbuza ku Prima Kadash ne Henry. There are some names is debating. Na matete muteeka ku level. Kati zetandika okwogera ku Mr. Henry ne Prima. Who are they? Bebani. Who are they? Nze waliwo ebintu bye nagaana lekinga nina amanya gesta discussinga. Kati ngenda mugogo ntekemo Mr. Henry yani. Prima Kadash yanoonya kamera mukazi watu alinga junior. Prima Kadash alinga Isiba. Alinga Wisdom Kaya alinga bloga. Kakati nze nzire ku Prima Kadash ne Henry. Ize kanale. Se discussing abantu bakyanoonya kamera. Nti olinakola sitanti bakumanye. Bambi nedda. So abasajja boogerako. You and your family, you are all gamblers, especially your father. Okay. Kajambo Minister Junior. Nyenda ba minister mu government yaddako. So bambi ebya Prima Kadasi ne Mr. Henry ebya sibyange. I don't debate people abali below my class. Nina basede by the kankubulire. Abanauganda mwabafuula abantu ba celebrity. Nzo tamalo jonna etegereza their names I don't talk about. Customer nkusinga following. It's like discussing about ARS blogger Lumbuye. So Prima Kadashi yani simumanyi socialite. Talk about Eddie Kenzo. Eddie Kenzo yanyize like any other person. Kuba bamuyidde ebintu ku stage. Talk about Bank of Uganda to increase the rates 80%. Nedda sijja jogerako Bank of Uganda. Teina governor. Bank of tumusime Alex. Bank of Uganda sijja jogerako teina governor. Mpaka nga baleese sipapa oba nga balunza omulala wenjo jogerako. So it's not fully constituted. Can your father adapt me, Junior? I want to be your brother. Are you sure? You don't even know English. Now we can go blocking. Obusiru bwa nnyoko. Singa teyakwenda mukojjaawo. Singa naawe oli wala. You are right. Imagine finding the whole TV station discussing about Mr. Sefoko. Sefoko twamuleka. Kasita yafulumizza ebifaananyi nga yeeyambudde. Sefoko twamuta. Mumuleke Sefoko. He's a young man enjoying his life. Saa nnyo tumuwe makulu. Kyenkwagalako oyogera mazima. Nze Junior nze gwe mwasigazaawo. Siina gwe ntya. Kitegeera. I'm not intimidatable. Talk about Congolese refugees who crossed into Uganda. Okay. His Excellency Kagame yakoze interview bulijjo kyembagamba nti ekivaako obuzibu wakati wa Rwanda ne Congo be Banyarwanda aboogera Olunyarwanda abali e Congo naye nga baluddeyo. Kati ate Congo eyagala baddeyo e Rwanda. His Excellency Kagame kyeyagaana. But oba olabye interview ye jjo yayogeddeko ku bintu bingi naye kyasinze okunkwatako. Alinga ayagala ekitundu kya Congo. Aba Banyarwanda we bali. It's like alinga ayagala okyosa border ya Rwanda. Okay, ekirwanisa Ukraine ne Russia. Kyekimu kyekirwanisa Rwanda ne Congo. Bali Abanyarwanda abali e Congo bafuuka ba citizen. Kati ate Congo eba mistreatinga. Kati His Excellency Kagame abakuuma is protecting them. So it's like he's telling the Congolese government that tebayina gye balaga. They are citizens and they need to be protected. Bwe Congo tasobola bakuuma Rwanda will protect them. But in so doing, Rwanda bakuumire Congo is interfering with Congo. Okay, kati kankwe example nga bwolaba Kisoro. Kisoro waliwo Abanyarwanda bangi. But tetuba mistreating. Government ye Congo mistreating Abanyarwanda. They have to change their attitude towards Banyarwanda speaking people. Bana abafuuka ba citizen e Congo. Kati Abanyarwanda bali Goma in Congo. Kakati Congo government ya Congo kye inokola nga Uganda kye yakola. Uganda yakola etteeka nti Abanyarwanda ba citizens. Ne Congo kye inokola. Instead of segregating them, the more they segregate those people, Rwanda will interfere into their affairs. Because remember, M23 ejabbawo. So one thing, okumalawo obuzibu bwa Rwanda ne Congo must accept. These Banyarwandans are now citizens and they are not going anywhere. We basigala nga babatta nga bwe bakola because Abakongo babadde batta Abanyarwanda. Ate His Excellency Kagame omumanyi is a man of no nonsense. If you fail to protect the Rwandese in Congo, of course you will interfere into Congo. And militarily. Kakati twakola standby force, ya East Africa. But remember abadde olukungano olala mu Angola. So that's it. His Excellency Kagame kyagamba, if you are chasing those Banyarwanda from Congo, nettaka lye baliko bajje nalyo. So indirectly is telling you they're not going anywhere and he will change the border. Because alinga yagala okukyusa border bali Abanyarwanda bali e Congo na waawambewo. Kati muna ekizibu ekira kirina kuggwa wakati wa Congo Congo ekkiriza actually these Banyarwanda as citizens. Although waliyo feel endala abantu abambagamba nti His Excellency Kagame mbw aliyombwa bba bya bugagga by'e Congo, but yekwasize eky'Abanyarwanda. Okay, zona feel ziweziri. I don't know how true they are, but that's my understanding. You don't pretend as if you're not seeing what I'm telling you. Talk about Sabasajja Kabaka, please. Kabaka yabadde ki? Okay, the run was successful. Junior, what you are saying is true. Yes, that's how it could be. Junior can be citizens in Rwanda. Thank you for much. Yeah, that's it. Eyafiiride ku Rwanda ne Congo okutabuka. The Congolese government must accept that. Nga Uganda bwe yakola negamba Abanyarwanda ba citizen kati ne Congo kyetaaga okukola. To accept nti Abanyarwanda bali e Congo ba citizen ekyo kiggwe. But if they continue segregating them, ne babeeranga babatta, of course Rwanda will intervene militarily to protect them. Nga bw'olaba Russia bwe ya intervene mu Ukraine to protect bali Abarussia abali aboogera Olurussia. Because Russia eri mu Ukraine kola special operation to protect bali Abarussia abaliyo. Okay, kakati kiriyanga Southern Sudan ngetwetiringa bubi abana Uganda. Naye nga baliyo bangi, Uganda can intervene to protect abana Uganda abaliyo. So talk about our king. Yabadde ki Kabaka? Yabadde ki mbo mulwadde? Tonteka nawe mu bibozi byalumbuye. Mbo Kabaka mulwadde mbo agenda fanga tafanga. Abantu abamu mujjewo exaggerated responsibility. Buganda is an institution, mind you. If the king is sick, waliwo abakwatibwako ensonga. So kakati temwefuula nti mulumirirwa nnyo mubeeramu ebyo ebyekisiru byammwe. Gwe yagambyeko nti mulwadde. Mbu Kabaka mbu lwaki amagye gamukuuma. Kale n'owulira abasiru nga babyogera. Can you even say that mbu Kabaka mbu amagye mbu lwaki gamukuuma? Kibaakira ku makya n'ogamba mbu all cultural leaders are protected. Kati badde oyagala baani abamukuuma. Obadde oyagala baani Lumbuye abajja n'amukuuma. Abaganda namwe mutuggyeko akatinko. Manyi mutijjiriza nnyo ebyekisiru. The Kabaka must be protected. Goloza buli omu Uganda amwagala. Kyakira ku makya n'ogamba nti lwaki Queen w'Abongereza bamukuuma. Ebintu ebimu nga temunnabyogera musooke. I don't know bamuwulira mmere ki. So kati Kabaka mulwadde yalwala ki? Kabaka ayina abaana. Ayina abalangira, ayina abambejja. Abakopi, n'abakopi mumanyira. Mbo nti kati mulumirirwa nnyo Kabaka yagenda e Germany ne bamujjanja nga tetwamulabye abadduka emisinde nga bwali omulwadde. Oyo propaganda wa Nuupu. Ebya Bobi Wine byabalema kati muyingiridde bya Buganda. Ije ne bwabanga mulwadde, obulwadde bw'omuntu babusaasaanya ku media. Oyinza okera ku majalo gati Kabaka mulwadde yalwadde kino. Oba lwaki empisa z'abaggwamu? Omulembe guno tegulina mpisa. Gwegeba Kabaka b'emabega tebalwalanga. Namwe temutusaate mu audience zammwe za kisirusiru. Katandika okuba enduulu. Kabaka, can you put somebody's disease into public? Goza tuyamu abataasoma. Junju mutabani we Jonjo nga tannatubuulira nti mulwadde omulangira Junju mukwano gwange. Junju mukwano gwange nnyo. Ankubira ku bintu by'amataka nga tannambuulira. Nti his royalness is sick. Mwe don't put us in your level nammwe. Ebyo byammwe ne balumbuye. Kubeera awo Kabaka agenda afa. Kabaka mulwadde. Kati waha. Mwena matete mutumanyira manyira nammwe. Kutuusa mu bintu byammwe bya kisiru. Nze temubinteekamu. Prince Junju is my friend. Waliwo noono omulangira w'emunyonyi. Mukwano gwange ne Wisdom Kaye. Waliwo n'omulangira w'emunyonyi omugagga ennyo. Twagende me and Wisdom Kaye mukwano gwaffe. Ne Putin mulwadde. Waliwo atalwala. Kati tujje tukube enduulu mbu Kabaka yalwadde. namwe mubeereko ne respect manye ekibabuze respect goroza nga bw'olwala enzikuzo n'enfaanazo n'ogenda mu ddwaliro n'ogaa dokita mbumbu ndi mulwadde wa nziku mbumbu kaakati ne mu media era bwe tulina okujja mbu twogere ku ayisa abasajja kabaka is an important person. Buganda is an institution. They will let us know. But right now, the king is okay. So don't put me at your level of reasoning. If you yam me bakadama abamu. So temunteeka yeeyo. Bunange nzije mbumpulirize ebyalumbuye. Omanya abagwagwa mu ggwanga lino ekisse eggwanga lino basiru kuba nti muli bangi.